You know, wool blanket Anoraks are awesome. They're also expensive, like 250 to 300 bucks. But you can make one, no problem. $20 surplus, 100% wool blanket, some hardware, and some sewing time. Check it out. Hey everybody, we're out here on the Skunk and Foster Lake segment of the Ice Age Trail today, taking a little walk, and I wanted to show off my awesome new blanket, wool blanket Anorak. This is made from a green pepper pattern called a Fairbanks pullover or Anorak. So I made some, it's made out of wool blanket, so you have to make some allowances for that because it's super thick material. But just show you some of the features that Diane sewed into it, Mrs. Frugal sewed into it. We made this big old pocket here in the front. I can actually carry a pistol in there if you wanted to, big enough. Got a hand pocket here. Got, let's see what I got going on here. Oh, there's this neck piece right here is actually detachable. It's buttoned on the inside in 4 places so that I can close off my neck and my hood. Like that. Tighten that up. On the sides, we put in buttons here so that you can leave this butt flap for sitting down on a snowy log or whatever. Make sure you keep your bum warm to sit down with, and then you can snap it closed, block off wind going that way. And has this awesome hood that has a drawstring in it as well. You can pull down over your face. It's very nice. And then what else do we got? Oh, on the sleeves we made a gather with bungee cord, shot cord, these little cord locks. And on the back we made a big old pocket so you can actually just, if you're squirrel hunting or whatever, you can throw your squirrel or rabbit in back there, or just put your hands in, throw your gloves in if you need to get them out of your way, but you don't want to put them on the ground. So that's pretty nice. So took like, I don't know what, 2 or 3 days to make this thing, something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah, so it's a lot of work, but it turned out really awesome. Thanks to my awesome spousey for making this for me. Beautiful coat. If you get a chance to buy one or make one, it's a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it because it's like 27 today, I think. Yeah, 27. It's like -3 Celsius. And all I have underneath of it is a Polypro super thin long sleeve shirt and then a Polypro t-shirt, regular old everyday t-shirt. So, and that's all I need. A pair of gloves, and it's really nice out.
And you look so handsome. Strike a pose.
And if it was any colder, I'd probably put my puffy up under it, and that'd be plenty. When you're moving though, you don't really need much underneath a piece of wool like this, heavy wool like this. So, man, is it ever awesome. So, thank you for checking it out. See you later.